While everyone's attention was focused on Tesla and BYD's electric vehicles, Volkswagen took a step that shook the entire automobile market. Yes, we are talking about the all-new Volkswagen T-Roc, whose second generation was launched recently. Just think, while the whole world is running after electric vehicles, Volkswagen has caught everyone's attention by launching a powerful gasoline engine SUV in this era. This new version of the Volkswagen T-Roc is not just a car, but a statement that the magic of the internal combustion engine is still alive. Its looks and features have been kept so modern that it wins people's hearts at first sight. And this is the reason why it is being discussed in the global market. The question is, what is it in this SUV that made it stand out even in the noise of electric vehicles? Which engine technology has Volkswagen used in this new T-Roc? And why is the whole world talking about it? And its price is less than other electric cars. When the whole world was running towards electric cars, companies like Tesla and BYD were making noise everywhere. At that time, Volkswagen took a step that surprised everyone. Yes, in this electric era, Volkswagen introduced its all-new second-generation T-Roc with a powerful gasoline engine. Now the question arises, why? When the market is leaning towards electric, why did Volkswagen make this risky move? Actually, this is the most interesting part of the story. Auto companies around the world are spending billions of dollars on EVs, governments are giving subsidies, and people have also started thinking that the future is only electric. But Volkswagen has chosen a different path from the world. It seems as if they have decided it is better to create a different identity than get lost in the crowd. And perhaps this is the reason why this move of theirs is risky, but also smart. Now think, what is the biggest problem of EVs in today's time? Charging time, lack of charging stations, battery cost, and battery life. The common man still considers petrol and diesel more reliable for long-distance travel. Yes, EVs can be good for city drives and short distances, but if you have to travel 500 to 600 kilometers, then a gasoline engine car still seems more practical. So, Volkswagen probably recognized this, and that's why they launched the all-new T-Roc with a petrol engine. But, this is also kind of a risk, because on the other hand, companies like Tesla, BYD, and Hyundai are just moving ahead in the EV market so fast that, honestly, it seems like in the next 5 to 10 years, petrol and diesel vehicles may start appearing in museums. In such a situation, this move of Volkswagen really surprised people. I mean, many people will call it madness. Brother, when everyone is making electric, then why are you making petrol engines? But Volkswagen probably has a sure answer to this question, and that is demand. You might be surprised to know that even in markets like Europe and America, where EVs are being promoted the most, there are millions of people who still want to buy petrol cars. The reason is clear. Electric vehicles are expensive, charging is a hassle, and charging infrastructure just isn't available everywhere. In such a situation, Volkswagen did what their positioning has always been, to make a people's car. That is, a car that is within everyone's reach and seems reliable. Now you must be wondering why this move became a topic of discussion in the market. The reason is clear, because it directly challenged the prevailing belief in the automobile world that electric vehicles are the future. On one hand, companies are claiming that petrol and diesel vehicles will almost end in the coming 10 years, and on the other hand, Volkswagen is saying, no, not yet. The magic of gasoline has not ended yet. So, this conflict, this way of thinking differently, is really what makes the T-Roc special. And, it's not just about launching a new car, there's a message here too. Volkswagen has shown the world that there's still enough demand for internal combustion engines to make it worth taking a risk. And honestly, when a company like Volkswagen makes a move like this, the entire global market sits up and pays attention. The story of the Volkswagen T-Roc is actually pretty interesting. It's not really a brand new vehicle, but it's had a whole journey that's brought it to where it is today. For the very first time, the T-Roc was introduced by Volkswagen way back in the year 2017. At that point, The craze for crossovers and compact SUVs was really starting to take off. People wanted those big SUVs, but at the same time, they also wanted something practical, something that could handle city driving easily, and of course, something that wasn't too expensive. Understanding this need, Volkswagen launched the T-Roc. People liked the first generation as soon as it arrived. The reason was clear: its design was stylish, it had a rough and tough feel like an SUV, but the size was kept just right so it could run comfortably, even on traffic-filled city roads. On top of that, Volkswagen's trusted brand name and safety features made it a hit, especially in the European market. This car became one of the best-selling compact SUVs in no time. Many people started calling it a small but powerful SUV. But as happens with every vehicle, changes become necessary with time. The automobile market had changed a lot between 2017 and 2023. Now people are not happy just by driving a stylish car. They want technology, connected features, big screens, and environment-friendly options. The craze for EVs started increasing and every company was launching its next-generation vehicles. In such a situation, it became necessary for Volkswagen to update the T-Roc and give it a new identity. Bringing the second generation was not just an option, it was also a compulsion for Volkswagen. If they did not update, they would have been left behind in the market. Imagine, companies like Hyundai, Kia, Toyota, and even Tesla were showing something new every month. So if Volkswagen had left its T-Roc as it was, then maybe people would have slowly moved away from it. That's why now the all-new Volkswagen T-Roc second generation has arrived. This is not just an updated version of the first one, but it reflects new thinking. The company has made the design sharper and more modern. The car has been made more premium and equipped with technology like never before. Now you get bigger touchscreens, connected car features, and advanced driving assist systems, which are the needs of today's modern users. Not only this, Volkswagen has also focused on space and comfort in the second generation, because nowadays people expect SUVs not